back to my channel. Recently I did a video where I talked about not brushing my hair for 6 months and what a terrible decision it was, and I also brushed it out on camera. And I said in that video that one, I would be doing an extended version where I didn't edit out any of the brushing, which is still in the process of coming up. I'll probably do it next week. I just hadn't got around to actually putting it all back together without all the edits. So instead of doing that today, I thought I would go ahead and update you on how things have been going since I brushed everything out and what my hair is looking like and how the curls have survived being brushed out. First thing is that this is third day hair, so that's why it kind of looks a little ratchet right now, but if you can see it, it's still pretty curly. I will probably put in a picture in the thumbnail or somewhere in this video showing it after it's been freshly washed. But as you can see, it's definitely still curly, and honestly it might be a little curlier than it was before I brushed it out since it's not in all these clumps anymore. And I've had several people tell me that my hair's been looking so good recently. I thought I would take some time to tell you how I've been taking care of it since brushing it out. I have omitted the detangling spray that I used in that because it just makes my hair feel really nasty and I'm not a fan of it. I need to see if I can find someone who would take it off my hands because I don't want to just have a whole bottle sitting in my dresser and never getting used. But I have been using the same shampoo and conditioner. For the shampoo, I have the Maui Moisture Curl Quench Coconut Oil Shampoo for thick curly hair. It is supposed to hydrate, smooth, defrizz, and I've been using this for a while now. If you can tell, like, the bottle's almost empty. I just have about this much left. I need to get more of it. And I'm using the same conditioner that I used in the video where I was detangling it. This is for strength and anti-breakage, and it was formulated for chemically damaged hair. It smells so good. Like, I don't even know how to describe it. I'm assuming that it smells like agave since that's what's in it. Oh, but I've never smelled agave, so I'm not sure. And in addition to those two things, I have been going through my hair with this wide tooth comb. Not every day, because I don't want to try to put it through when it's dry and get it all poofed out, but every time I wash my hair after I condition it and get out of the shower and put in my styling cream, I use this to detangle it and help distribute that. And of course you'll see this whenever my styling video is put up. So that is pretty much all there is to say. I'm sorry that this was kind of a short video, but just thought I would go ahead and put this out there in case anyone started asking questions about my hair. I'm doing pretty good and not hating my hair as much now. However, I am thinking about dyeing it and getting it cut soon. Not anything too dramatic, like maybe up to my shoulders, just to trim off some of this split damaged bit here. I mean, my whole head's damaged, but I don't feel like shaving it off again right now. And I might get some bangs too, so if I decide to do that, I will of course record that experience and let you guys know how that goes. Hopefully it will be good and break the pattern of the bad hair experiences I've been having for the past year. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't done those things already. See you guys.